today in this free mastermind secrets seminar that I'm going to share with you, I'd like to share with you why doing this to your mind can change your life. Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends, with another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. What is cracking, everybody? Shoot, dude. I hope you guys are rocking that world champions and always transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, I do free mastermind seminars. I do free mastermind speeches, and I share with you powerful, deep insights, secrets that most people, they don't know about. I'm talking about most people, like 98.9% of people in society, in the world, they do not know about this type of information that I'm going to share. And so we don't talk about just confidence building. We talk about all kinds of stuff. I share with you powerful insights when it comes to universal laws of attraction, when it comes to quantum physics, which is science. And then I share with you how to tie all this psychology together with these invisible laws so that you can build the type of confidence that you want to build, baby. Yeah, buddy. And so today, in this free mastermind secrets seminar that I'm going to share with you, I'd like to share with you why doing this to your mind can change your life. I'm going to share with you three tools that I use, powerful tools, built-in tools that I use to do this, because this can change your life. Why doing this to your mind can change your life. And this is what I mean when we talk about why doing this to your mind can change your life. Because most people don't know that they're doing something to their mind every day. Okay? You're doing something to your brain every single day. Every day you're doing something to your brain. Luke, what is it? Tell me, what is it, dude? I'll share it with you, baby, because I had to figure it out. Okay? And if you know anything about my past, my story, anything that I've shared with you before, I was raised in a very dysfunctional environment growing up. Went through a lot of drug addiction, a lot of abuse, a lot of turmoil, a lot of violence. Had an abusive stepdad, all kinds of stuff, dude. Used to get beat down, dude, me and my brother, okay? And the reason I share this with you isn't to paint me as the victim, okay? It's to share with you that I understand what kind of situation you possibly or potentially could be in when it comes to having emotional pain, when it comes to having insecurities about who you are inside. That's why I share this with you, baby, because I've literally pulled myself out of the pit using this mastermind secrets that I'm going to share with you, that I share with you when I do these videos all the time. So a lot of the stuff that I talk about, it may seem repetitive, but that's the nature of any YouTube channel, okay? It's to share with you new perceptions, new ideas. They may sound the same, but they're locked together in a different, more powerful way that can blow your mind, that can change your life. Yeah, buddy, baby. And that's why these are mastermind secrets. Because once you learn to master, become the master over your own mind, then when you do run into whatever problems or setbacks or issues or troubles you may have, you have it under control because your mind brings it into perfect understanding. You get it, okay? And so, what is it that I'm talking about when I ask the question, why doing this to your mind can change your life? Okay, so growing up, like I was sharing with you, I was going through a lot of bad stuff in life, years and years, okay? And what was happening over that time period is it was doing something to my mind. You see what I'm saying here? Information does something to our brain. It does something to our psychology, okay? And with neuroscience, which is neuroplasticity. It's a science where doctors can get inside your brain. They can analyze what's happened in your life based upon the information that you experienced in your life. And so this is why this is powerful. Because see, me getting up here and doing these type of videos, me sharing this type of information, me doing a podcast, me sharing all this value, what it's doing to my mind is it's reversing the damage. And when I mean damage, not like brain damage, I mean like it's the psychological damage that can happen to a person when they go through something like that. Because you see, people who go to war, they develop all kinds of mental illnesses. PTSD or something like that, right? Post-traumatic stress syndrome. They fall into depression. They get this very imbalanced view of life and reality. Because, see, this is going to blow your mind if you ain't ever heard this before. When a person, it's the right time in their life, and they get smacked into a dimension of war and craziness, it changes them forever. Forever. Because now they entered a dimension of energy that has gripped them so tight, so hard. It's gripped them so strongly that they don't know what to do. Everything else seems boring. It doesn't seem real. They see everyone else living a normal life, and to them it's like doesn't appeal to them, because they experience something more extreme. And that's a dimension of energy, a dimension of information that's captured them. Yeah, buddy, baby. That may sound freaky, that may sound weird, but it's true. Because this is how reality works. See, reality works with invisible vibrational frequencies and energy. Okay? And so, when you do this to your mind, over the course of your life, you're streaming information through you your whole life. And that information, it's impacting your psychology. It's impacting your mindset. And so this is why a person, anytime you learn some kind of pattern, your brain fires together neurons, brain cells. They fire together, they wire together. And once they fire and wire together, you create a memory. You create an experience. And the more you repeat that pattern, the more clusters of electrical neurons form around it until it creates a branch. And then you have this branch of neurons in your head, all electrified together and twisted together, and it strengthens that idea. And guess what? You're not going to believe it. Your reality, you've been using neuroscience to hardwire together the whole reality and the beliefs that you have. The job you have, the schooling you have, the education you have, the skill sets you have, the house you have, the car you have. You've used your neural network to hardwire together all this information into who you are, and now you produce that reality. That should blow your mind. Yeah, buddy, baby. A lot of people don't know that. And so a lot of people, they live life resenting themselves because of past experiences, because of past setbacks, because of past negative memory patterns that they've accumulated. So they get stuck in regret and anger and worry and fear and resentment and jealousy and greed and forget it, and I'm too old and I'm too young and I can't do it and I don't have the confidence. Yeah, buddy, baby. But I'm here to tell you, when you start to gain the mastery over your own mind, you start to change your reality. You start to change your life. Because see, doing what I'm doing right now, this changes my life. And so, what you're doing in your life is giving you your life. In order for you to have something different in your life, you have to do something different. And by you doing something different, that's going to change the life that you're living in right now. That should blow your mind. And it should only blow your mind if you take it serious and you really want to do it. There's plenty of people who watch these kind of videos, 5-10 minutes, if that, and then just blow it off as nothing. They got other things going on. They're too important. This and that. Not even knowing. It's like, hey, dude, you understand what's going on here? Wisdom's passing you by. Success is passing you by. Confidence is passing you by, dude. So this is why it's important to pay attention to what's being said, because you can change your life with the information that I share with you. That's how I've been able to do it. I've been able to use 3 invisible secret tools that are already built inside of you to build the kind of confidence that I want. You want to learn how to magnify your confidence? I'm going to share it with you, baby. And in fact, I am sharing it with you. But there's a process in between. There's a reprogramming that has to be established. That means that the information you feed your mind, you get that reality over and over again. Hey, dude, if it feels good, if that's cool and it's affecting you positively, dude, by all means. But if you want to make certain changes in your life, you have to see, right now you're working with what I call a day frame of information. That means you have a 24-hour day compacted with information. And all that information inside your 24-hour frame of day, you agree with. Because if you didn't agree with it, you would have a different reality. And if you want to change your reality, guess what? All you have to do is start adding a little bit more new information into that 24-hour frame of day and remove a little bit more of this information. So you're adding in good information, removing bad information. In other words, you're adding in positive, confident information, you're removing negative, unsuccessful, unconfident information. You see what I'm saying here, dude? And so one of the 3 tools that I use personally to magnify my confidence is to be in alignment with 1, what I think, 2, what I say, and 3, what I do. Those 3 simple tools that I just shared with you, they have the power to magnify your confidence. Big time, dude. Because then your word becomes law. When you think it, when you say it, and then you do it, you align all 3 of those together. See, a thought is a thought. There's power in a thought. But then guess what? When you say it, you put another booster behind it. Now you got a thought and a word that both carry power. Now you got action behind it. Dude, you got like 3 boosters there. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, buddy. And when you align yourself like that, you magnify 1, 2, 3 times. You magnify the type of confidence that you want to build, baby. That you want to have. Because see, if you think one thing, you say one thing, and you do a different thing, the 3 tools aren't working together. So your thing is messed up. So you don't prove back to yourself anything. So you can't magnify your confidence if you don't prove it back to yourself. Oh, yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking should rock your world right there, dude. That's what I learned. Shoot, dude. And so, why doing this to your mind changes your life? See, what I'm doing right now, this changes my life. What we do from day to day changes our life, or maintains the life that we have. And what do I mean, what we do to our mind? What are we doing from day to day? Most people consciousness is very low. Most people are stuck on the 3D world. I got to work. I got to get a paycheck. I got to go here. I got to go there. I got to do this. I got to do that. That's it. In the free time, what's for dinner? What's something to watch on Netflix? What's something to just kick back and feel good? That's usually about the overall feel. Okay. The overall field doesn't recognize that there's a greater level of awareness. Greater level of awareness, dude. And when you tap into that greater level of awareness, guess what, dude? That information changes your life. If you're willing to do it over and over again. If you're willing to demonstrate it over and over again. If you're willing to apply it in your life. Yeah, buddy, baby. And those are the 3 tools that I use personally to magnify the confidence that I want. I ain't perfect. I don't walk around acting all perfect. I don't walk around treating people like they're less than me. No one's perfect. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to fall down. Guess what, buddy? Get up. Dust yourself off. It's okay. We got this. We got the confidence, dude. March on, dude. Freaking warriors, dude. That's what you got to be. You got to jump into that power. You got to demonstrate that power. You got to demonstrate who you want to be in your mind every day. That was freaking huge. You have to demonstrate in your mind who you want to be every day. And here's the thing, you're already doing it. You're probably just not doing it like on, super soldier, dude. You're probably just doing it like a lot of people do it on autopilot. Most people demonstrate who they want to be in their mind on autopilot. And so they get the autopilot version of reality, which is not really, success and happiness and confidence and courage and motivation and enthusiasm and charisma, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Shoot, dude. What you want to do? See? And that's why I do these mastermind secrets. These speeches, right? Give away that free 99 knowledge, homie. That's the way we do it, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But check it out, my friends. That's all I got for you guys today. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, if you guys like learning about these powerful concepts on confidence building, law of attraction, how reality works, how you can use this information to change your life, then consider subscribing, baby. Consider, boom, dude, big old thumbs up, hitting a little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, baby. And that, my friends, is how you're going to change your life. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Peace. Yeah, buddy. Feed your mind powerful information, and you will change your life. Guaranteed, dude. Boom.